Today was Sunday and I didn't get much videoing done. It was relaxing after the long road trip. There wasn't much to do. I'll throw a few clips in here, stuff I kind of did. Tomorrow after school, I'm going back to school. Tomorrow after I'm done with class, I will update you guys. First day of solar tomorrow, 8 a.m. I'm excited. I know it doesn't seem like it, but I really am. I'm excited to learn something new. What's up? I know it's all loud in here. I need to get my little microphone thing. We're headed to Harbor Freight, pick up a few tools that I still need to get in Tyler, Texas, about 40 miles away or so. So still kind of overcast, but it's 57 degrees. Can't complain about that. Today's Sunday. There's not gonna be a lot going on. Texas barbecue. Yeah. Oh yeah, I did stop at Harbor Freight. Got a couple tools. I'm feeling good about it. I need to get my barbecue fixed though, so do you like barbecue? Ooh, what's the best barbecue? Hey, let me know in the comments below what kind of barbecue you like. I'm a Texas barbecue boy. I mean, I'm not picky, but Texas barbecue is the way to go. And then how about that, what, they got the Carolinas, South Carolina, North Carolina, I don't know. Kansas City, they got all kinds of barbecue. Anyway, what kind of barbecue you like? Man, it's a lazy Sunday afternoon. I went driving around, checking out the area. It's kind of windy and misty, so the tour I said I was gonna take you on today is gonna have to wait. I start class tomorrow. I will get you a tour of the park, I promise. Maybe, I don't know.